Here's a fun fact. The efficiency of programmers when working with coding tools that are based on AI can be multiplied by more than 50%. I mean, that year 2024, these are no longer just a convenience for programmers of all skill levels. With the development of these tools, they are becoming a must. Today, we're sharing with all of you the topic that is super interesting. The top 5 AI coding tools that you simply can't live without in 2024. It is no secret that things in the tech world are constantly changing, and programming is by far one of the industries in which AI makes more sense, making coding easier and better. Therefore, if you wish to keep up with the times and enhance your programming abilities, it's good to mention that some problems which are related to their work involve constant pressure of deadlines or workload. No time managementifier has ever been easy. There is debugging, coding, and obtaining the best algorithms, and so much more that can be exhaustive, right? And there is always that urge to perform to the best of one's abilities within very short periods. This is where AI tools become a factor. They help enhance the performance of the work by eliminating some support activities, facilitate workflow, and prevent the occurrence of bugs, among other things. Imagine having one with you who not only offers you edits, but also produces certain pieces of code. Downright awesome, isn't it? Tools are engineered to optimize time, and consequently, one's attention is directed to the more inspirational aspects of programming. What follows are the best coding tools that one should check in 2024. Github Copilot. This content permits the coder to work on a program hoping that AI will provide her with all the necessary fragments of code and their fragments. This is because it feels as if there is somebody beside you telling you what you need to write down, making it very easy to put together even very difficult blocks of code in no time. Tabnine. It's an intelligent code completion enhancement based on artificial intelligence which imitates the user coding. Working with many popular IDEs, this tool enables you to enter code faster by predicting what you want to do next. No more boredom of repeated words. DeepCode. With the code analysis module, it is quite clear how malfunctions or weaknesses in the system's software might be corrected in a timely manner. It's as if you have another every day where all the time code reviews take place to guarantee that all code that is presented is of the highest level. Kite. The program allows the program to prompt probably all necessary parts as well as explanation within the reach of the user, which makes the user to code efficiently. This is, I suppose, more applicable to people who are in need of information but do not want to move away from the environment of coding. Replit, an internet-based coding application that makes it simple for anyone to create an app or a website because of the built-in assistance. With its collaborative features and AI assistance, it equally fits the needs of novices and seasoned programmers. These tools are useful not only for streamlining the process of coding, but also, more importantly, they are useful for changing the paradigm of addressing the coding problems. Standing out from these complementary tools, in my opinion, the most powerful tool is Github Copilot. What makes it so? Besides a code suggestion tool, it is changing the entire game. It draws knowledge from millions of lines of code, which implies that it is capable of giving you suggestions that provide context and would save you hours of your time. Picture trying to code a complex feature and Copilot is able to suggest the whole function, or in fact even optimize your code as you are typing. Although this tool is apparently meant for the more daring of the developers, it is able to transform your coding pattern entirely. In conclusion, we have examined the pain points faced by coders, as well as the top 5 AI coding tools that can help overcome those issues. It is most effective to combine those tools with your work in order to increase the efficacy and creativeness of your coding processes. Work smarter, not harder, right?